How to make a Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can make a Spotify account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to make a Spotify account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch a Spotify app. If you already have an account, you can tap the login option, but if you don't have an account, you can tap on the sign up for free option here. Just make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use for your Spotify account. Tap the next option. Then it will ask you to create a password. Make sure you enter your password and the account will get created. Now you can also choose to continue with Google or your Facebook account depending upon what is more comfortable for you, and your Spotify account will get successfully created. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically create a Spotify account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.